Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to generate image in Perplexity AI. Generating images in Perplexity AI is pretty simple, even if the first time it feels like the AI just decides to skip instructions and freestyle. To start, open Perplexity and type a clear prompt describing the image you want, like a dog sitting in a cozy room or a dog dancing under neon lights, depending on how chaotic your imagination is. Once you send a prompt, Perplexity will process it and generate an image based on your description, sometimes instantly, which can feel a bit like it read your mind before you finish typing. You can also refine your request by being more specific with style, lighting, or background if you want better results instead of a generic outputs. After it generates image, you can view it, copy it, or use it depending on the options available in the interface. If the first result isn't quite right, just tweak your prompt and try again until it matches your idea. It's basically a conversation where the AI is also an artist, just one that occasionally interprets your instructions with slight creative confidence. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.